What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk, and sticking with the refurb devices sort of thing that I've got going on at the minute, I have picked up a phone that I have been looking to get my hands on for a long time. I did try the smaller version of this phone and I finally got my hands on the one I wanted. So let's get it unboxed and let's get into it. Trusty knife. I picked this up on Amazon Renewed. Let's just get a wee look at it. So this is what's in the box. So we have a charging brick. It's a dual USB charging brick. To be honest, I'm not sure I'll use it, but okay. A USB-C cable, which does look like the genuine Google cable. And an Apple SIM tool. Ugh. Surely that's some sort of blasphemy. Literally. Here it is. That's it. Oh, it's in plastic. And here it is. The Google Pixel 4 XL. And I must say, this thing is in mint condition. Wow. Wow, I am over the moon with this. Look at that. How clean is that phone? I have always liked the Google phones, all the way back from the Google Nexus, all the way up through the Pixels. I sort of thought that Google sort of lost a bit of something with the Pixel 3. Personally, I think they brought it back with the Pixel 4. The reason being that I picked up this phone is simply because I like big phones. I do, I like big phones. To be honest, there's my 12 Pro Max and there's the Pixel 4. So they are pretty much the same size. Obviously the Pixel is slimmer and it's a little bit thinner. It's not as wide, which makes it very, very nice to hold. And see, for the first time ever, I think I will use a phone without a case because this feels amazing, and I haven't even turned it on yet. Just to give you a bit of background, so I primarily use iOS. Let's say I'm in the ecosystem, so I have my phone, I have my iPhone, I have my watch, I have my iPad, I have my MacBook, so I've got Apple TVs as well. So I am in the ecosystem. And I'll be honest, I'm very much a minimalistic person. I like things as simple as possible. I know that's going to sound really, really stupid, but I just like things to be clean and simple and things to work. And that is why I do get frustrated with a lot of Android phones, simply because there's just too much. There's just too much going on inside them. There's too much bloatware and that sort of thing, and it's just, for me, it's a turn off. Even the likes of setting up the likes of Samsung, for example. I tested and used 2 Samsung phones this year, and just even going through the setup process, going through Android, setting up all my Google stuff, and then Samsung prompted me to set up all that sort of stuff. I'm like, no, too much. It's just too much. And I like core, stock, clean OSs. And if you like Android, you're going to love a Pixel. I know that's a bit of a ramble. The reason I picked this up now, obviously this phone was released in October 2019. My question is this phone any good in 2021? Let's find out. Getting your phone ready. I'm so excited. Oh man, do you know what? Just looking at this phone, it is so clean. I love it. And you know what? I do get a label as being a bit of an Apple fanboy and, iPhone. But I can honestly say, put my hands up and say, I do appreciate a good phone. I do appreciate this. I've just got it all set up. So I am going to go and get all my apps and all that sort of stuff downloaded and set up on it. But I just wanted to sort of go over some of the specifics about the Google Pixel 4 XL and to see if it still sort of holds up in 2021. So it's a 6.3 inch display. So while the body is the sort of same size as the my iPhone 12 Pro Max, there is a noticeable sort of chin at the top of the phone here, which contains the selfie camera and that sort of thing. I sort of thought it would maybe bother me, but it doesn't really. Although I will say it's kind of weird looking at a phone without a notch. Yeah. 90Hz refresh rate, noticeably smoother when I'm scrolling than my iPhone. Go figure. So yeah, so this has the Snapdragon 855 processor. So it's quick, it's snappy, it's responsive still. What's not to love? I mean, it's got 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, it's got face recognition, dual camera in the back, 12 megapixel wide and a 16 megapixel telephoto lens. So yeah, camera's decent enough. But as we all know, pictures on this phone are where this shines, and I cannot wait to get some photographs taken and get them shown with yourselves, just to show how good the photos are on this phone. So I can't wait. Selfie camera, 8 megapixel camera, pretty straightforward stuff. USB-C, which is great to see. iPhone. Like we just want USB-C in the iPhone. Like, come on. Lightning is done. We've had enough. It's not fast enough. It's not fit for purpose. 3700 milliamp hour battery as well. So battery is pretty good, and it's got fast 18 watt fast charging as well, which is great. Yeah, so that's a quick rundown of the specs. So yeah, I'm going to go get this set up, get out into the real world, get some photographs and stuff taken with it, and I'll share them with you guys, and we'll go from there. So